I've been meaning to come to Atomic Core for a while. Saw them at Spooky Empire and thought, I should finally come over here. Stand over here, I'm in the shot. Come over here, I'm in the shot. If I stand in between, I'm invisible. Whoa. I don't see pretty cool curtains very often, but stickers, of course, they have to have stickers and pins. Some more logo. This hoodie, $50 is actually a good price. If it was a t-shirt, maybe not, but it's not as a hoodie. This is cool. I like how they use the windows to light up the background. It's pretty cool. $15 for this. $28 for the larger version. $20. These are not actually Loungefly, it is very similar. At the back, it's BioWorld. $60 for these. $35 for this. It's a very, very soft pillow. $60 for this. $25. $12 for patches. $4. These stickers are $4. $25. $65 for this. Glows in the dark too. Hawaiian shirts too. $50. I don't know why these tikis are so popular. I don't see the draw myself, but $27.99, not bad. It's a neat little tiki area here with some, looks, it's Volcano Bay. Some more pins. $10. These are $25. Not sure about this one. I'm not going to take it off the wall to look at the price, but pretty cool. $27, also from Trick or Treat Studios. Here's where they contain the ghosts. Guess this makes this containment unit. Check out its posters. Pretty cool. The Last Drive-In. Not true. There's plenty of drive-ins. I was just in the house last night that had one of these, or something like it. So I'm guessing this room has to do with one particular character. I don't know who that would be. At least primarily on that wall. More Elvira stuff. This is $90 for this. This is $12. Look, it's only $5. Don't know if they're actual bandages, but if one of the characters happens to attack you, you probably need more than a bandage. But $60 for these. These are creature cosmetics. Don't know if it comes with, I guess it doesn't come with instructions, or it doesn't seem like it. There might be some in the box. You just want some creepy lip balm. $6. Mugs. $17. Candles, of course. Ooh, pure evil. Some grading cards, various prices. $4, $5, some of them are probably more. We've got some air fresheners. $4. It's okay, guys. It's not really him. I for a second I thought it was real. $17 for these. Not bad. Hand painted. $32. Need more stickers. $4. Here's an overview of the store. Original blade. So I hope you enjoyed this look around Tamakor in Orlando. Thanks for watching. I still need an outro for this channel. Leave a comment in the section below if you can think of a good one, because I haven't so far.